Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're hitting the road on one of Pakistan's most impressive highways, the Lahore Motorway. Get ready to explore the journey, the sights, and everything in between. The Lahore Motorway, also known as the M2, is a crucial part of Pakistan's road network, connecting Lahore to Islamabad. This 375-kilometer stretch of road offers a smooth and efficient route for travelers, making it a popular choice for road trips. Built to international standards, the Lahore Motorway ensures a comfortable and safe drive, with multiple lanes, rest areas, and service stations along the way. The motorway also offers views of important landmarks, such as the Salt Range near Kalar and the Margalla Hills as you approach Islamabad. These natural vistas provide a refreshing break from urban life. That wraps up our journey on the Lahore Motorway, a road trip filled with stunning views, convenient stops, and smooth driving. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels